In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your publication name on Substack. If you're managing a publication on Substack and have decided that the name needs a refresh, you're in the right place. This process is simple and should only take a few minutes if you follow along carefully. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Substack homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard drop-down menu. This menu is your central hub for managing your various Substack publications, especially if you're juggling more than one. If you do have multiple publications, you'll want to carefully select the publication whose name you intend to change. Doing this is critical to ensure that the steps you take next are applied to the correct publication. Once you've zeroed in on the publication you want to update, it's time to dive into the settings. You'll find the Settings tab typically among the main navigation options on the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page filled with different customization and configuration choices. Here, you want to locate the section labeled Basics. Go ahead and click on this section. The Basics section is where key elements of your publication are housed, including its current name. Now, you can finally make the change you've been planning. There's a specific field on this page that displays your current publication name. Click into this field to start editing. Now, when choosing your new name, think carefully. Ideally, it should capture the essence of your content, be memorable, and align with your overall brand image. After typing in your new name, take a moment to double-check for any typos or errors. Attention to detail here is crucial. Once you're satisfied with your new name, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button, which can typically be found at the bottom or the top of the page, depending on how your settings screen is laid out. This step is vital because clicking Save is what actually commits the change and updates your publication's name on Substack. Once you've saved, your readers will begin to see your publication with its new name. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your publication name on Substack. This whole process, while straightforward, plays a significant role in how your readers identify and engage with your content. Remember, a well-chosen name can enhance your brand and help attract the right audience to your publication. Always ensure that any change you make aligns with your long-term goals for your publication. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!